Alright, we're back, but we're in 1080p because the phone was getting hot. So he's spinning it. Spinning it. Larry's getting it. Larry's getting it over here. Somebody lost a hat. Somebody done lost a hat. No shit. That thing's just slowly pulling him out. That's wild. That's a fucking winch right there, guys. That truck's got a winch on it like you don't even know. Look at this Hummer. They're all the way the fuck up on him. This guy. They're all the way up on him. Let them have room, man. They're doing work. I wonder how much this is going to cost. Oh, I think that's where we may have ended the road here. He's spinning and shaking. Spinning and shaking. Now we are, alright, now I think he's going to have to, if he doesn't fall over, I think he's going to have to probably pull the truck forward. They're going to have to tell that person to move the fuck out of the way. Where do they think they're going to go with this tow truck and an 18-wheeler? A 53-foot trailer on a big old semi-truck. Looks like a Freightliner. I don't know. We'll see when it comes around the front. Oh, and they're letting people go. Oh my God, let the people go. Because how dare, you see the shadow going right there. Okay, so this guy's coming over to do a little more shoveling. How dare you stop people from going on vacation. Jesus. Get it real. That's a cool shot. Dook. See, is everybody still watching over there? Yeah, I got a couple people. They're my fans. Oh, I got a beach buggy. Now this is dumb. The reason why I think this is dumb letting people come on right now is because what if some Joe Schmo gets his dune buggy and sticks it in right there? So now you got two people stuck. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I complain a lot, but maybe I'm also just really smart and think about stuff. I feel bad for this guy because, I mean, like, if he's straight up from Iowa, then, I mean, he didn't know. I mean, I don't know. But dune buggies, right? Oh, and they're honking now. Let them honk. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh, yeah. Dune buggy's stuck. Who's stuck? You stuck right there? What did I say? Right here. What did I say? Right there. That's exactly what I said was gonna happen, and it happened. Dude's parking brake stuck. Look at that. He's right in front of the sheriff. He's just revving this bitch up. Let the clutch out. He doesn't know how to drive a stick. That's what it is. Come on. Sorry for the bad filming. Oh my God, it's chaos up here on the beach. You got this white Ford right here trying to get through. Like, come on, dude. And this lady over here. Oh, come on, get it, get it, get it. That's embarrassing. Look at this. Yeah, see, now this is exactly what I said don't do. And what did they do? They went and fucking let people on, and now this guy's stuck. All right, here, we're back to the action. Larry's saying, pull it out. saying get it moving. Alright. This is the quietest diesel truck I've ever heard, by the way. Like, I didn't even know it was running. Meanwhile, that guy's still stuck. Stalled it out again. Just do it for him! Jesus! Come on! I live an amateur hour up here. I wish this could go live, guys. I'm sorry, but there's no internet up here, so I had to just film it. I will post this later. Make that woman in the back get out and push that thing. Yep. All right. What do we got going on here? This guy over here in the Cummins back there, if that's a Cummins, no, that's just a fucking Hemi. Fuck that guy. Alright, tightening the chains up, ropes. He's gonna pull them up, move the truck forward a bit. It's working. Oh yeah, that truck's jumping. Oh, truck said nope, not no more. And then we got the other tow guy, Chase Davenport, coming in. This is a sweet rig he's got. This is a nice Sierra with the big meaty tires on it. That's a good guy. Chase pulled me out a couple times. Woo! Does this happen often?
Yeah, it happens every now and then.
Yeah. It's crazy. And then I was like, don't let anybody up here or else we're gonna get fucking stuck. This guy doesn't know how to drive a stick. So he's been over there just clutch ramming it.
It'll be next.
Huh?
It'll be next.
Yeah. Well, I mean, why would they they moved it like 10 feet and then they opened up a lane of traffic. Oh, come on, Larry, get it. They pulled him quite a bit. He pulled him a whole bunch down to finish.
Fucking stop.
Well, they've been doing that the whole time.
Bottom right there. Cut that out.
Well,
Maybe he needs another.
yeah, see if he knows another pull. Chase Davenport coming in. Possible rescue. Got the appropriate attire on. Gotta stop that spinning. Chase Davenport says that. And meanwhile, I don't want to get out of the shade, but meanwhile, over here, dude's still stuck. So. Oh, now he's trying reverse. He's just giving it. I don't want to get out of the shade, guys, so we'll just do it this way. He's in too low a gear. He doesn't know how to put it in first gear and do it. He's like in fifth gear. What a joke. What is this? Where's the sign that says, hey, no semi-trucks up here? It's fucking sand. Oh, he's got the blocks out now. Got the blocks out. Now we're pulling. Chase and Larry. These are the only two dudes that tow up here on the beach. And he's gonna go over and tell them how to do it because they don't know how to do it right. This guy needs to turn around. I do like your Jeep. I like it a lot. But you clearly see that something's going on. This guy, yeah, let's give this guy a hand. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, back to the news. We're spooling up. His truck's shaking it. I wonder what they're gonna do. Are they just gonna pull it all the way down the ramp and out, or what? I don't know. He's putting it down now. It looks like a drift truck. Oh, this guy over here with the diggins. Oh, they're gonna go talk to these mooks. Tour truck driver, get the fuck out of here, is what he just told him. He's like, dude, why the fuck did you come over? All right. Hope nobody else gets stuck. All right. See this guy gonna get stuck right here. No, that's all right. Good 4Runner. 4Runner's going out. Another 4Runner. A new 4Runner. Ooh, I got Sequoia. Those are all right. Nice Jeep. Other nice Jeep. New York State. What's up? Got you probably a Turbo 6 F-150. Somebody gonna get stuck again. Watch it. Somebody in this soft shit over here, I'm calling it right now, is gonna get stuck.